Delhi gang rape accused have reached the Saket Court. Remember, proceedings begin today, and this in the backdrop of more developments which have played out. Two of the accused, the gang rape accused, in fact, have come out and decided to turn witnesses. They've refused legal counsel in the case. They want to turn approvers. This is the big development that we're picking up at this point. The accused, in fact, have been brought to the Saket Court. Remember, there have been developments where they had been refused representation by the Lawyers Association, and this is why the court had to step in, appoint legal counsels for them. In turn, the accused have refused. Two of them, in fact, have accused legal aid. They've asked to be allowed to turn witnesses in the case. Ankit Tyagi has been tracking developments. Ankit, just bring us up to speed with the latest.
Well, today is the first time when in this case, all these five accused have been brought together in front of the area magistrate. She has summoned them to be brought here so that the process of this case can start. As you've been pointing out, there are two of the accused, Vinay and Pawan. Both of them have moved in applications to be made as the approvers. They are probably looking at this tactic because they know that there is tremendous pressure and everybody is looking at this case. They are almost certainly facing gallows if convicted in this case. So they are probably looking to get away with a lighter punishment. Although these are same accused, Vinay and Pawan are the same accused who, when caught and for the first time were produced before the court for their police remand. They had admitted their guilt. They had said that we have committed a heinous crime and we would, and the court should hang us if that is what is the maximum punishment. It now seems that as the process of the law is taking place, they are now more nervous, and that is why they are trying to resort to this. Although they do not have a defense lawyer as of now, and the court has asked legal aid services to provide them lawyers. Two of them, Ram Singh and Mukesh, they have opted for the lawyer, and these two so far has refused the lawyer and are saying that they would want to become approvers. It will be up to the court right now to see whether they will ask the prosecution whether they would require an approver to prove this case. If the prosecution is confident enough on the material evidence that they have collected, I don't think so there will be any need of an approver in this case.
Do they need more witnesses? They've got 40 witnesses lined up already. Ankit, just stay on for a moment. Let's actually build on this point that you're making. You know, clear delaying tactic. Two of these five accused, Pawan Gupta, Vinay Sharma, they've refused to take services of the Legal Aid Council. They've told the court about their willingness to become witnesses. The magistrate, meanwhile, has extended, their judicial remand till 19th of January, has also asked them to appear before court today, which is what is happening right now. They have reached the Saket Court complex. Let's tell you why, though. Their bail plea should be, their plea should be rejected. Their plea where they want to turn witnesses. Both Pawan Gupta and Vinay Sharma were involved in one of the most gruesome crimes that have happened in this country, of raping and murdering a 23-year-old girl. Also, there's ample evidence which the police has been able to gather against these accused. There's absolutely no need for more witnesses. This may help, remember, these rapists to get away with a lighter punishment as well. So the big question that arises, is this another attempt by the rapists to delay the case proceedings? Also, should the plea of the murderers even be entertained by the court, considering the nature of this heinous crime? And Ankit, that is the sense that everyone is getting. Well, this is a clear delaying tactic. You know, news came out that these people were put on suicide watch. They were, not talking to anyone, but certainly they're thinking about what needs to be done to save their own skin.
Well, absolutely. They have been doing their thinking. They must have thought this over because the headlines today was the first to even break that these people are willing to turn approvers. But apart from the delaying tactic, as the pressure on this case is on, and they probably are also hearing about it in the prison, they also know that it's very soon that it will be. So